Hey everybody, this is Karina from Plan in Love, and in this video I'm going to show you how you're able to create and download our customizable unplugged ceremony signs here. So what you're going to want to do is go to the planinlove.com website and make your way over to the stationery and sign section. So once you're at that, you're going to go down and try to find the unplugged ceremony signs. It's kind of at the bottom here, so unplugged ceremony signs. We're going to go ahead and click that. So encourage your guests to disconnect from their devices and be present during your wedding day with our beautiful unplugged ceremony signs that you can completely edit yourself. So they range in price from $0 up to $12.50. So again, whichever you choose, they're completely customizable. It's just like depending on what you want is different. So just for this example here, we have some different color palettes going on up here, and then when you go down here, we have different ones down here as well. So just for this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose the navy blush one. So this is what that looks like here, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to cart. So once I'm happy with that, feel free again to choose whichever ones you'd like. Pick a bunch of different ones, try them out, see how you like them. A lot of them are free, so these are great options if you're trying to figure out what the vibe you're going for is here. So I'm going to go ahead and check out. If you're a returning customer, please feel free to log in here, and the billing details, fill those out here. And then go ahead and make sure that that is the order that you were looking for, and then place order. So once you've placed that order, we're going to go to this order received sheet here, and it'll show you all the products that you've downloaded, and then that download link here. Again, we will email you this exact sheet again, so you have that in your email forever. If it's not in your main inbox, please make sure you check your spam folder as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click that download here. And that's going to actually download a PDF file to my computer. And that's where you're going to be able to find the Canva link for this file here. So I'm going to click that, open this, and this is the PDF for that. So the template access here is and this is the link here. So we have the elegant navy blush pink wedding unplugged ceremony here, so we know what we're working with. So every single one, so if let's say you added 5 of these to your cart, every individual one is going to come in a different PDF file, because that's going to give you that direct link to that Canva template there. So just quickly for how this works, we have a login or create a free account via Canva if you don't already have one. Access your template via the link provided above, just up here. Click the Use Templates button to save a new copy of the template to your Canva account and begin editing. So if the link provided does not open or you get some sort of error, please try a different browser here. And with this PDF, we've also provided a Canva editor overview. This is for some people who maybe not be super familiar with the Canva app here, or maybe you need a little bit of a refresher and overview there. So this is what we have provided. I'm not going to go into detail in this because it is provided in this PDF, but we do provide some things on editing texts, changing colors, changing layer positions, downloading files, adding a link, uploading images, stuff like that. Everything you would need to know for kind of customizing your own thing here. So again, at the end of this, we've also provided some bonuses and a 40% off coupon here, up to 40% off coupon here on your next order with us. So that's a good deal here. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll up to the top and click to download here. And this is the Canva website here. So that's what we've been sent to. And then instead of edit template, I'm going to go to use template for new design. That's going to automatically create that copy for me here. So this is what this looks like. This is yours to edit entirely as much as you'd like. Feel free to save and resave and do whatever you'd like with these. That original template will be with you. So if you mess up or maybe you want to do something else with it, that original template will always be with you. So no worries there. We have here, so we have unplugged ceremony, and then we had we invite you to be fully present during our ceremony. Please kindly switch off all cell phones and cameras. Thank you, name. So that would be where you would put your names. Maybe you don't want your names there. Maybe you want thank you to be a bit smaller. Maybe you want to put a different kind of blurb there to tell people that you don't want people using their phones at your ceremony there. So yeah, again, completely customizable. Maybe I don't want that there. Maybe I want this to be up more. And go ahead and do all that here. So up here, if you click on the text here, we're able to actually change the font style here, the size and colors and everything there, the transparency, everything can be done there. Click on here like that. So let's say that you are happy with your final results and this is ready to be printed. We're going to go ahead and click the share button up here, and then we're going to go ahead and click download. So because this is a printable item, I'm going to go ahead and go file type, change that to PDF for print, and then I'm going to go ahead and click download here, and that's going to be downloaded to your computer, and then you're free to print at home or from a print shop or wherever you feel comfortable printing, and that's that. So thank you so much for watching. This was how to create and download our Unplugged ceremony signs here from Plan and Love. Thank you so much for watching.